Honey, where do we go for vacation this year?
I was thinking maybe a beach destination.
What about Goa? What do you think? I am angry with you.
Sorry about that. Let's make
Oh,
sure this time we plan it together and make it a special trip.
oh, you're sorry about that. Today I have something absolutely amazing for you. The person I was just talking to is actually not a person. It's artificial intelligence. So it's a robot. So now there is no hesitation, no fear, no nervousness. You can speak to him all day long. I know it's not a person, so I can't say him. You can talk to it all day long whenever you want. And I will tell you exactly how you can talk to ChatGPT. Yes, the name of this AI is ChatGPT, and it is absolutely free. If you go to Google Play Store or your App Store, you will find it there and you can download it free of cost. Now, I was using the talking feature of ChatGPT. I loved the talking feature of it. The voice is so beautiful that you will actually fall in love with it. You all have commented that we don't have any speaking partners. Now, you have a speaking partner who is there, who is ready all the time. And biggest thing is it's absolutely free. So you don't have to spend a penny on it. Download it and start talking to it today itself. Now I will show you exactly how I talk to ChatGPT. So what you can say to ChatGPT is that ChatGPT, I want to practice English. Can you be my speaking partner? I can practice on this topic and I want you to correct my mistakes with my grammar if I make any. So it will correct you in such a polite manner that you will fall in love with it, and it will just give you suggestions. Even if you are not making mistakes, it can even tell you that if you say this, it can sound more natural. And you can talk about any topic in the world. It knows about everything because it is an AI. So you can talk about food, travel, children, parenting, school, money. You can talk to ChatGPT about anything under the sun. You can do role play with it. Let's say you are stuck somewhere, or maybe you wanted to play the role of someone. Let's say you are a mother and you want to talk to your daughter in English. So you can say to ChatGPT, can you play the role of my daughter? And I am the mother. Can you play the role of my daughter? And let's have a mother daughter conversation. It will help you with that. Now I will give you a demo how I speak with ChatGPT, how I ask ChatGPT to do role play with me. So I will tell you the prompt that you have to give it, right? Hey, hi there.
Hey, how's it going?
Yeah, it's going well. So, can I call you baby?
I'm here to help with anything you need. What can I do for you today?
First of all, tell me, can I call you baby?
It's best to keep things friendly and professional. Is there anything specific you'd like to chat about?
Okay, I'm here to practice my English speaking skills. Can you help me with that? Can you correct my grammar mistakes if I make any? Okay.
Let's get started.
Okay, so I want you to play the role of my husband and I am the wife. We are fighting over planning a vacation. Okay, so you are the husband. Let's start the conversation.
Sure, let's do that. You
Yeah.
can start and I'll respond as your husband.
Uh, Honey, where do we go for vacation this year?
I was thinking maybe a beach destination. What do you think?
Yeah, I was also thinking about a beach destination. What about Goa? What do you think? Last year also I wanted to go to Goa, but you didn't take me to Goa and you went there with your friends. I am angry with you.
Sorry about that. Let's make
Oh,
sure this time we plan it together and make it a special trip.
oh, you're sorry about that. Do you
Let's plan for it. What dates work for you?
Are you sorry for that? Tell me, do you understand my feelings?
I do understand. Let's make sure we both feel good about the plan.
Yes.
What are your thoughts?
So I think you are a good husband.
Thank you. It's important to communicate and understand each other.
Yes. So now let me try making a grammar mistake. I wants to go to Goa.
You'd say, I want to go to Goa. You're doing great.
Oh, thank you for correcting my mistakes. Okay, bye-bye.
You're welcome. Bye.
Did you see how ChatGPT talked to me? It talked like such a sweet husband. And I think it understands my feelings better than my husband. There is something very mind-blowing about it. You get the whole conversation. Here is my entire recorded conversation in front of me. That means I can go through it whenever I want. I can take a screenshot and keep it with me because if I want to see what mistakes I made, I can have a look at them, right? Now I will discuss the second way I use ChatGPT for practicing my English. Okay. So the second way is, if you want it not to correct your mistakes after each sentence, you can say that I want to say a paragraph, correct me at the end of it. That means ChatGPT will not interrupt you while you are speaking so that it doesn't break the flow. It will correct you only when you are done, right? So let me start speaking a full paragraph. Hi there.
Hey, how's your day going?
Yeah, it's going well. I'm going to say a paragraph and please correct my grammar mistakes at the end of my paragraph.
Sounds good. Go ahead whenever you're ready.
Okay, so I wake up at 6 in the morning, then I freshen up. After that, I go to the kitchen, I make breakfast. When everyone goes, I do some exercise and yoga. After that, I take a bath. Then I have my breakfast. And after that, I work for my YouTube channel. I work from 11 to 1. Then I take a lunch break. After lunch, I take a short nap. I work again from 4:30 to 6:30. After that, I go for a walk, which I really love. That's it.
Your paragraph was quite clear. So a more natural version would be, I wake up at 6 in the morning. Then I freshen up and go to the kitchen. I make breakfast. Then everyone leaves. I exercise and do some yoga. After that, I take a bath and have my breakfast. Then I work on my YouTube channel from 11 to 1. After that, I take a lunch break. After lunch, I take a short nap. From 4:30 to 6:30, I work again. After that, I go for a walk, which I really love. Great job. Let me know if you want to try another paragraph.
No, thank you so much. Now I will tell you another way to use ChatGPT. I will ask ChatGPT to teach me a phrase. Hi there.
Hey, ready to learn a new phrase?
Yes, kill two birds with one stone. Teach me this phrase with the help of some examples.
Great choice. Kill two birds with one stone means to accomplish two things at the same time with a single effort. Here are some examples. One, I needed to get some exercise, and I also had to buy groceries. So I walked to the supermarket instead of driving. That way, I killed two birds with one stone. Two, she wanted to catch up with her friend and also try a new cafe. So she invited her friend to meet at the cafe. She killed two birds with one stone. Three, by listening to English podcasts while cooking, you're improving your language skills and making dinner at the same time. That's killing two birds with one stone. Want to try using the phrase in your own sentence?
I'll do that later. Thank you so much for your help, ChatGPT. You are so lovely. I really love you.
That's really sweet of you to say. I appreciate it a lot. I love helping you with your English, and you're doing an amazing job. Keep going.
Bye-bye. Good night.
Bye-bye. Good night. Sleep well.
You too. You saw? It can teach you a new phrase with the help of examples and it will be pretty clear. I sometimes, whenever I come across a new phrase and I have doubts about it, I go to ChatGPT and learn that phrase with examples. So these are the three ways I use ChatGPT. You should definitely use this app because it is absolutely free and so helpful. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.